guys, welcome to my channel. So every one of us knows India is a country full of festivals, especially from September to December. It's the most gorgeous period of the year. There's Navratri, Durga Puja, Diwali and what not. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you a smoky classy look which is perfect for the Ashtami, Navami or the Diwali nights. I won't be able to describe the hairdo step by step since I don't want to make this video a long one. So I'll just show you how it's done and I'll go by the step by step process of this makeup.
I'll start by tying up my hair as I don't want it to involve in this mess. Clean your face and apply some rose water before starting with the look since rose water tends to blur the pores naturally. Moisturize your face well before starting as you don't want to harm your skin in this whole process. So here I'm using Maybelline Base Magic as a primer. For foundation, I am using Black Radiance in the shade Butterscotch. It is a sheer to medium coverage foundation which gives a flawless dewy finish. Pulling it out towards the hairline, covering your ears and neck are the vital parts to get a natural finish. As you can see, I have already concealed my face and blending it out right now with the same brush. Now please don't skip this part. Set your base with a makeup setting spray once you are done with the base. Once the moisture is absorbed, set your concealed areas by the translucent powder to avoid creases. For contouring, I am using Wonder Stick by NYX, which is a doe stick with highlighter on the one end and contour on the other. Now I'll start drawing 3 on the both sides of my face since I don't have any prominent cheekbones, and straight lines along my nose, chin and then blend them out. For the eyes, I'll start by intensifying the creases of my lid with a brownish shade. I'll move to and fro along the semicircle of the lid and then we'll blend it out with a fluffy brush. Now at first I'll show you how to get the smoky look with the gel eyeliner or kajal, and on the other eye I'll show the same thing with a black eyeshadow. The gel eyeliners generally come with a brush, otherwise you can use any liner brush available in the market and then blend it with the help of a fluffy blending brush. Then next, put some brown along the midpoint of the eyeliner and the shadow and keep blending it. Then I'll do the same thing to the lower lash line. It's quite the same thing, starting with the brown, then moving on the black and smudging it gently. Now I'll use a kajal or a liner pencil to cover the waterlines for an intense look. And then again intensify the look by smudging it with a liner brush. For my brows, I'll be using Brow Define and Fill Duo by Maybelline in the shade Deep Brown. It has layer on one end and this sponge smudger on the other, which makes it super easy to fill in the gaps. For blush, I'm using Sun Power from MAC and I'll apply it on the apple of my cheeks. Curl your lashes with a lash curler before applying the mascara. Here I am using Lash Paradise Mascara by L'Oreal Paris. Don't forget to scrap off the excess product to avoid getting a spidery look. Now I'll use a beige highlighter to highlight my brow bones, nose bridge and other highest part of my face. Falsies are important to make this look more intense. Use a tweezer to apply your falsies. Here I am using Cluster Eyelashes by Primark. This is extremely user-friendly and are best for the beginners. For lipstick, I'm using Wall from MAC. Now for the hair, comb it thoroughly. Make a neat middle parting. Again, comb each side flat and secure it with pins. You can also apply some hairspray if your hair seems fluffy while combing. Now to finish this look, I'll get back to you curling rest of my hairs and will insert few flowers in the bobby pins.